Hi guys, this is another video about the Cyberlink Power Director and how you can expand the video to insert more spoken text, means voice. Yeah, let's say you have this video clip like here, and you have been, like for me, I've been screen recording the whole thing, and I realized that at this point I need to add something. So what's important to know that what is your video? So is it moving or is it not moving? When it's moving, then it's obviously a little bit difficult. So you have to try to copy a piece, like a piece which is as happened before, maybe something like that, and you repeat that part. So you go to the area where you need these to be inserted, and you cut. I put it a little bit to the left. You cut with this thing. Okay, so you have a chance to insert something here. That's good. So, and we need, let's say we need this part. It's just an assumption. It's always too good to have to start with a bigger part than maybe needed, and you can always shrink it, but you never can expand it. So let's take this thing from here. So we have to cut it, even if we don't want to cut. I mean, nobody will see it. When we make a cut and do nothing, it will remain absolutely the same. But we just want to copy this to here, and just use the video section from here and replace the audio from here. So what we do, we move this to the right so it gives a little bit of space. Then we mark this with a left mouse, then make copy C and copy V, and we click on insert, and you can see, so this is now here. So we move this a little bit back so we have this available, but we will reposition this after that. So here, from this part, we just need the video, we don't need the audio. So we have two options. We can just lower the audio level, means we go, so when we see the infinite sign underneath, yeah, when I go to this area, then it goes away, but you can see what happens, that it changes the level. So when you go to this thing, it's an infinite sign. Minus infinite means it's basically it's down to 0. So we can test that, but you shouldn't hear any voice. Yeah, you can see that. So the other option is to mark this and go to link on link audio video. We click on the audio and remove and leave gap, and so we have this part here just with the video and no audio. Can play that, you see same result. Oops, that's a little bit not so good, so I moved the whole thing to the right. So now we have again the whole thing, and yeah, now you can start recording. So you have to reposition here. The only thing is there's no automatism. I haven't found anything which places the time thing pointer exactly at this location. It's no color. So with some things you want to align, like when you align this, you have you will see that when it's aligned, you will have a blue line. When you do this, it doesn't turn blue. I don't know why. It's a little bit bad, but I mean, when you zoom in enough, you will find the right location, and you can click on this icon, and then you choose what you want to use as input, like a headset or what kind of microphone, and you can start recording clicking on this button. And when everything is done, then you stop. I don't know if I can do that because I'm already recording. So let's do a test. When you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if that worked because I'm actually screen recording now. So let's go a little bit back, and you can see, so I have to, yeah, my window is a little bit small, I'm sorry for that. So we'll find here, move a little bit to the left. So you will find here there's a microphone, you'll see that, and here's the thing which we have been recording. I play that. Let's see if there is something. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so at least I was able to hear that. I don't know if you have been able to hear that. So we can click that and shrink the size or the length till we have this blue line. We say trim, and then we can push the end to here, and it's done. So this is using a part of the video. So let's say if you have moving part, here in our sample we didn't have moving parts, but it was just to show you how this works. So this part of the audio will replace actually this part. When we don't have moving parts, it's even way more simple. I can show you a really easy thing. So that's the video part which we have to replace. Now we have already the audio underneath, we have it already, but usually we would do it in another order. But anyway, we need something to place here, and if you don't have a moving video, like more like when you record like product information or something like that, then you can just use, let's say we go to here, we have at the end we had this video part, I mean this image of the video, and we click here, take a snapshot of the video, and we save it here, and we can close, I mean we go to this thing to the media room, and here we can, I don't know where it is, I think it's here, so snapshot 5, and we take it down and pull it to the left till it's aligned. And the good thing is now when we click on that, we can make it as long as possible, and then we can start, I mean we can go to the left. Let's assume we don't have this thing here, so now we can start, click on the voiceover, like the microphone, and start recording as long as we need. Let's say we end up with an audio until here. So with a video, if we had duplicated a part of the video, we would have a problem. We can't stretch it till here. But since it's only a picture, it's only a snapshot, we can move it all the way as long as we need it to the end of the voice or whatever. That doesn't matter. So let's say when we have the voice until here, we can extend the snapshot till here and move this, align the end back, and so that's it. So it really depends on if you have moving parts or non-moving parts. If we, of course, we use the video part of the video, or we use an snapshot for that, which is actually much easier and more flexible. But if you need a video, you need a video, so you can't stretch the video, of course. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.